Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a swatch video for you on these new MoonShine Mani nail polishes releasing in August. Phoebe from MoonShine Mani sent me her new collection that will be releasing on August 14th, and in today's video I will show you all of these nail polishes swatched on my natural nails. I have one polish from her Project Dupe It collection. That's a dupe for a Butter London nail polish, and then I have an 8-piece collection plus an add-on. And as you know, Phoebe lost all of her data last year, and with that many of her polishes kind of got discontinued, but this time she is bringing you back 2.0 formula for the Looking for a Group collection. This collection released originally in August 2018, and each polish in patch 1.0.1. A patch is a software term for the latest version of the game, has a 2.0 formula as I mentioned, and they slightly differ from the original polishes, so she tried to keep them as close to the original ones as possible, but as I said, because she lost her data, the formula and what is inside these polishes may be a little bit different from the original ones. I really enjoyed every single polish. My favorite out of these 10 polishes today is definitely the add-on polish, and that is Karashan 2.0. I'm sorry if I mispronounced this, and this polish will be actually free when you are purchasing the entire collection during the first 48 hours after the launch. So they are releasing on August 14th. For the first 48 hours you can get this polish as a freebie when you're purchasing the entire 8-piece Looking for Group collection. Alright, that's it for the quick information about these polishes. I will of course link for you what I can in the description box, so definitely check it out. If you do enjoy swatch videos, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then please also hit the subscribe button before you leave. Now I will jump into the swatch portion, so thank you guys so much for being here. Keep on watching, and I will be back for with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.